Alam niyo po, ang ating, pareho lang po kami 1 year in office po. So, ito po, ang mga manifest ng 1 year in office, your hard work, Brian. So, congratulations, you know, all these things, ito mga little MSMEs that are here. These are the triggers that will truly fuel our economy. So, I'm really happy that you take time to really put them in your forefront. And then, ibang-iba pa yung mga coaster, and each one has an electric motorcycle. Ako baka mahilit ang probinsya niyan. Anyway, but this, I know, is a concerted effort. It is not just a one-man person, but then it is teamwork. That's why nandyan po, maganda po, maganda po, nandyan po ang ating council member, ang ating marshal po, tama ka, Brian, kasi talaga that brings the best out of you too, right? So thank you to all of you. Thank you to all the punong barangays also for taking care of all the community. So this is really a joyous occasion. I'm sure excited na lahat mag-electric bike as they go around the village. Lalo na daw po yung mga BHWs. Meron mga BHWs na dito. Ayan. Okay. So today, this year's theme is Talugaling. And it reminds us that the true strength of Lawag lies in the character of its people. Yan po ang richness ng Lawag. The character of your people. Talagang iba-iba po ang mga Lawagenyos. Palakpakan po natin ang kayong give yourselves a hand. Today, it really marks another defining moment of the story of Lawag, a city shaped by discipline, grounded in heritage, strengthened by a deep sense of shared responsibility. It is a time to look back at the foundations laid by earlier generations and to acknowledge the people whose daily efforts keep the city moving forward with purpose. Lawag City, the Sunshine City of Ilocos Norte, stands as the province's central force in commerce, education, cultural life, and governance. Its vibrant character beyond its boundaries, setting the pace of development in our province and anchoring many of the systems that sustain public service and local progress. Lawagenyos are not merely contributors to the life of the city, they are its very lifeblood, the force that keeps its dynamic, productive, and forward-moving. In every sector, from every enterprise and education to civic participation and public administration, their work shapes Lawag. Through their daily efforts, they define how our province grows, adapts, and responds to the needs of the people. We, in the provincial government of Ilocos Norte, stand united with the city government of Lawag and all our partners in advancing programs that expand opportunities, strengthen local capacity, and improve the daily lives of our communities. Guided by our shared vision of meaningful progress and accountable governance, we continue to uphold Servisyo ang Mapagtalkan, a commitment to service that is felt in action. In action, this is actual action right here. Measured in results and grounded in trust. As your governor, I will continue to push for initiatives that translate public service into real and lasting improvements in people's lives. May this Charter Day remind us of the strength found in purpose, the value of work done with integrity, and the responsibility we all carry in shaping the path ahead for the West and the province of Ilocos Norte. Managsak na 61st Charter Day. Happy birthday, Lawag City. Dios di Aguina, Agyamanak, and congratulations once again. God bless you all.